Khloe Kardashian has shared an adorable snap of a yawning baby. True. The reality TV star, 34, welcomed her daughter in April, her first child, with professional basketball player boyfriend Tristan Thompson, 27. Kardashian shared two photos of the baby dressed in a white dress and matching sun hat. In one she is yawning and in another she is pouting. Her mother captioned the shots, "Mood PSYR rolls so cute on babies." Her friend Chrissy Teigen, who is also a new mother to baby son Miles, commented, "She is so unbelievably cute, oh rolls." Kardashian, who helms fashion label Good American, recently told fans she is very anxious over her return to work. While cradling True in a Snapchat video, she said, "Tomorrow is my first day back to work. I've missed a feeding here and there with True, but I've never missed multiple feedings in a day, so I have a ton of anxiety." In another video, Kardashian added, "I don't know what to do because I love our routine together." While pregnant, Kardashian was engulfed in scandal after allegations that Thompson cheated on her surfaced. The controversy is expected to feature in the upcoming season of Keeping Up with the Kardashians, which is due to air in August.